How to allow autoplay videos on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow autoplay videos on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find this one, useful features. All you need to do is just click useful features, and then just click here you will find it, first one, allow. All you need to do is just turn it on, and as you see, allow autoplay videos have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.